Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you another very easy and yummy recipe. I'm going to share with you the recipe of samosa chaat. In order to prepare samosa chaat, first I'm preparing the dough for samosa. So in order to prepare the dough for samosa, let's begin with the ingredients. I have around 250 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of ghee or butter you can use. I'll be using around 1.5 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use the salt as per your taste. I'll be using quarter teaspoon of carom seed or ajwain and quarter teaspoon of zira or cumin. Let's begin. Now I will add 50 grams of ghee into the flour. If you want a crispy samosa, you have to use butter or ghee. We need to make a tight dough, so we will be adding water around quarter cup in the start. I will cover the dough with a wet cloth or wet towel and we will leave it to rest for another 30 minutes and then we will proceed for the samosa filling. Next set of ingredients that we require in order to make the aloo samosa is I have taken around 400 grams of potatoes and I have boiled them with some salt. I have a medium sized onion, 2 green chilies, quarter teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of freshly grounded and roasted cumin seeds, half teaspoon of freshly grounded and roasted coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of garam masala powder or whole spices mix, half teaspoon of crushed red chili, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili and few dried leaves of curry patta. You can use fresh also. Let's start making the potato mixture. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Now I will add mustard seed and curry patta. Now I will add onion. Once my onion is cooked, I will start adding the spices. Now I will add potatoes. Salt. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. Now my potato mixture is ready. I will cool it down before filling the samosas. Next set of ingredient required for the chana chaat is I have 2 cup of boiled chana or chickpea, 1 medium onion that I grinded with water. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half cup of grinded chickpea paste. I'll be using 3 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. I'll be using salt as to taste. I'll be using around quarter cup of oil in order to make the masala. I have taken quarter cup of oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add cumin seeds. Once the cumin seed is starting spluttering, we will add the onion. Now I will add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and rest of the spices. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I will add grinded tomatoes and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will add chane into the masala and paste of chana into the masala also. Now let this chana masala cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil is on top, dish it out in order to make the samosa chaat. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I have taken out the dough. I kept the dough inside a wet cloth and now I'm going to roll it for another 10 minutes so that it will be soft and easy to handle. Take small balls out of it. Apply some oil into your hand and start making the roti. we will start assembling our samosa chaat. Spicy mint chutney, tomato and tamarind chutney, salad, chaat masala, okay. Our samosa chaat is ready. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you.